from the very beginning naman, ano, these guys, they know what they can do. They know they deserve to be here. They know after 4 times playing semifinals, they know what it takes. Naintindihan nila. After playing TNT 3 times in the series, we know what it takes. Pero iba pa rin, iba yung ano nila. Iba yung, they're very competitive, they're very disciplined. And then, yun nga, double barrel shotgun, Ogohit and Ostana. There's sheer talent. They can take over a game. So, ang bigat pa rin. Sabi ko, wala sa ating RHJ, madali silang talunin. Hindi rin. Ang hirap rin ng talunin. So, at least nakatuwan kami. Saka ano rin namin, our best chance is to make this series long. If it becomes a short series lang, so at least nanalo kami ngayon, winner is going to 5 games. Pag nanalo pa kami, winner is going to 6 games.